All right, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Shout out to.
Shout out to Jay.
Shout out to TJ.
All right, so we're gonna be putting on this Utica boiler. See the sticker right there? So we remove a 200,000 BTU and we'll be putting 120,000 BTU because this house is not even 2,000 square feet. Okay? So we're gonna be bringing it down and then stay tuned. I'm just gonna post this. Okay, we got this down here. Down. Perfect. So we'll be removing this. This is our return side for the first zone. So we can connect with a male adapter copper. And also this one for the supply side. So we can connect our copper adapter. Since we have this radiant heat radiator, so we're gonna need to install a bypass. Alright, JD's gonna cut that out.
No effort.
Eh, ano sabi mo? Pagtama.
Tama ginagawa. If you're doing the right thing, you don't have to put effort on it.
Eh, nagsalita si JJ.